Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some vintage cottage decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Vintage cottage decor is a warming, cozy decorating style that blends the nostalgic beauty of vintage design with the warmth and simplicity of cottage living. It celebrates comfort, character, and the soft romance of times gone by, creating spaces that feel inviting, lived in, and full of personality. Here's a detailed look at what defines vintage cottage decor. Key characteristics: soft muted color palette, whites, creams, faded pastels, and diamond neutrals dominate. Think of colors that look sun-washed or softly aged. Mix of old and new, antique or shaped furniture pieces are combined with cozy modern touches. Natural materials: wood, cotton, linen, and rattan bring warmth and a rustic charm. Romantic details: floral patterns, lace, crochet, and ruffles add a sweet, feminine touch. Layered textures: a blend of smooth, rough, and soft surfaces, from distressed wood to plush throws, adds visual depth and comfort. Furniture and materials: antique or distressed pieces, painted wood furniture, wicker chairs, and vintage dressers with chippy paint finishes. Reclaimed wood adds a rustic, time-worn appeal. Iron and brush accents, seen in bed frames, lamps, and curtain rods, for a touch of vintage metalwork. Slip-covered sofas, often in white or soft floral prints, for a relaxed, inviting look. Decor elements: floral fabrics and wallpapers, roses, wildflowers, and soft botanical prints bring a classic cottage feel. Vintage accessories: old clocks, numberware, glass bottles, and framed botanical prints. Lace curtains and crochet accents add softness and an old world charm. Mix and match dinnerware, vintage plates, teacups, and glassware with delicate patterns. Soft lighting: table lamps, candlelights, or string lights create a warm, cozy atmosphere. Curate, don't clutter. Choose meaningful vintage pieces. Not everything old needs to be displayed. Let each item tell a story, whether it's a weathered trunk, an heirloom mirror, or a hand-painted vase. Group items in threes or fives for balance and visual harmony. mix patterns with purpose. Combine soft florals, gingham, and stripes, but keep them in the same gentle color family. Use vintage fabrics on cushions, table runners, or curtains to tie the look together. Choose lighting that feels soft and romantic. Opt for warm tone bulbs, not stark white. I think these ideas will help you. Thanks for watching this video.